With just a little bit of luck, this thing might start. Power steering. Whew. Something that's really been annoying me every time I start this car up is this rattling. It's just the outer cover on the catalytic converters will come loose. So I'm just going to shove a screwdriver in it and that'll stop it rattling. Right, so just give it a quick kick in the guts. Hopefully that rattling doesn't happen anymore. Wow, engine doesn't sound as bad as it used to. Beautiful. A couple of funny knocking noises in there though. That concerns me. I've got to bite the bullet. Engine's got to come out of this thing. There's just too much wrong with the bloody thing to do it in the car. So I'm just going to get into it, pull the engine out. Alright, so there's a hell of a lot of work to do on this thing before I can get it registered. I've got to fix the oil leaks. It's got a leaky rear main seal, among other things. Alright, so here's the plan. Bonnet comes off, front comes off, rad support comes out, outer guard comes off, inner guard comes off, all of this comes out, same on the other side. That should give me pretty good access to the motor. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, that's not really what I wanted to happen. Just another problem with this car. Well, it is a bit of a challenge to get the bonnet off by myself, but yeah, this method should work. Might come out now. Yay! Oh, look at that. Come on. Well, as you can see, got a bit of progress happening here. I don't know what to tell you. It's just a matter of pulling it apart. All this front rad support's going to come off. Both guards on the inner and outer guard on the left hand side are all got to come out as well. And then I'll be ready to start pulling the motor out. So that's where we're up to.